Hello and Assalamu alaikum metaverse millionaires. This is Zindagi Sultan and let me walk you through the process of buying Nextearth tokens today. These tokens were released recently for pre-sale and now after the pre-sale these tokens are public now. To buy these tokens you need to have a Polygon compatible wallet like Metamask or Trust wallet. In this video, I'll talk about Metamask only. Okay, first install Metamask wallet. If you haven't installed yet, then add Polygon network on your Metamask wallet. Then add Matic in your Metamask. If you don't know how to do all these steps, watch my previous videos on that. Find links in the description. So now, let's assume you have set your Metamask fully and you are on the Polygon network with enough Matic in your wallet. Now it's time to buy Nextearth tokens NXTT. Copy the official contract address from official Discord or from the description below. Go to Metamask, click on import tokens and add that contract address you just have copied. Then click add tokens. Next step, go to uniswap.org, launch app, click on launch app, then click Polygon network, then click connect wallet in the top right corner and connect your Metamask wallet. Then click select a token and paste the same contract address which you just have copied from the official Discord server. Then click import. Enter the amount of Matic that you want to spend on NXTT and then click swap. You might have to pay some gas fees. And if you face any errors, just increase the slippage and click swap. Click confirm. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and you're all set. After the transaction is confirmed, check your new Nextearth tokens in your Metamask wallet. And congratulations, you now have your Nextearth tokens that can make you huge profits in future. You can also sell your tokens if you want by going to Uniswap. So this way you can also enjoy trading of your new tokens as well. But it's better you hold it for some time until you get decent profits. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. And yeah, don't forget to join our Discord group. Allah Hafiz.